For hundreds of thousands in Argentina, the hope is that it could be the culmination of years of fighting for women's rights. A vote by the nation's Senate on whether or not abortions should be legal. Clad in green, the color of their movement, or in costumes depicting The Handmaid's Tale, they've held protest after protest to fight a ban that government figures show is the leading cause of maternal death in Argentina. For botched abortions send some 50,000 women to the hospital every year. But their fervor has been met by equally impassioned convictions in the predominantly Catholic nation. Rural religious groups, as well as the pontiff, have pushed back against the bill. Currently in Argentina, abortion is legal only in cases of rape and when a mother's health is at risk. But the new law would make the procedure permissible before 14 weeks of pregnancy, a proposition that would make Argentina only the third country in Latin America to broadly legalize abortion, after Cuba and Uruguay. But legalization is far from a foregone conclusion. After a very close vote in the lower house in June, 129 in favor to 125 against, the possibility of change gained momentum, only to be squashed this past weekend when a senator said she planned to change her swing vote against the bill. An about-face that, according to the Argentine press, means the legislation is likely not to pass. And if that's the case, pro-choice activists have vowed to make sure the issue is front and center in next year's presidential elections.